Show you how to set up and install your wireless printer on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel. And then on the right side, select printers and scanners. Select add device at the top, and then make sure your printer is wirelessly connected to your network, and then it should populate in this list. If not, make sure your printer is turned on and discoverable, and you may want to check onto the printer manufacturer's website to see if there are any driver or setup files available for your device, and usually that would resolve it if this did not. This is a pretty generic tutorial. This should work for most situations, but you sometimes need to go the extra step, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.